Madayaw Davao. This is Carl Hardinel, your travel guide. Join me as I explore Mindanao, its magnificent beauty, culture, and people. Today, let's get to know one of the 18 tribes here in Mindanao, the Ata Manobo. Tara na! Kuyugi kayo ninyo ilaylahon ang ilang kultura. The Ata Manobo of Davao del Norte, up originally called Ata, believe that they originated from Paquibato, Davao City. The ancestral domain of Ata Manobo covers portion of the municipalities of Capalong, San Isidro, Santo Tomas, and Talaino. The Manobo are both strong in mind and spirit. Their cultural identity is firmly rooted in the land and its nature. It is maintained through storytelling, language, family, and passing on the traditional skills and arts, like dancing. The Manobo Trial Council identified 8 Ata Manobo dances, namely Abakaka, Pangkakaw, Inamungan, Kalasag, Taguturan, Pungko, Natarin, Kulatawi, and Pungko. According to their elders, out of these 8 dances, 3 reflect human activity in the community for harvesting, planting, and manual rice grinding, and 1 dance for survival activity of our dance, 1 dance for a social event, 1 dance of ceremonies and rituals. There is also an expression of mourning and sadness, as well as the courtship dance. And that's it. I hope you learned something. Salamat sa paguban sa biyahe ni Carl. Siludapod, Madayaw Davao.